Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I am with you on my topic makeup or backup. It depends on our lifestyle, modern or traditional, both are same. But honesty, loyalty, trust, compromise, sacrifice, dedication of life is just for the namesake these days. So sometimes we are in illusion that all is well, and sometimes we are in confusion if my judgment is okay or not. So no tension, trust yourself 100% and take bold decision at any time. Now what we should do in fact as per our duty at our studies we should do as passion, not as a burden. At work also, either we do service, means job, or any business, but we should be having passion for that, not as a burden. In the life as well, in the competition or satisfaction, what do you want? Do you want to win from others, or you just want to be satisfied that whatever I have done or I will do is enough for me? Honesty or hook or crook, what do you choose out of this? You should have passion for that as well, which will prove different results in your future. If you believe in honesty, then be with your passion and follow it. Don't take it as burden. But if you believe in hook or crook, even that can be way of life, but in future you may face some problems. Now you have to focus in your life on career or fun. If you believe career is priority of your life, then do it with passion and live happy life. But if you think fun is important in my life, then go with it, but you may have different lifestyle in your future. Now it comes to family or partners in your life. If you choose family, it is also good way of living, as it is quite proved since long eras that family system is very good. But even if you want to go along with your partners, then take your full confidence to judge those people as well. It is also right way of judging someone and then getting together. But don't take either things as a burden, neither family nor a partner. Now time to decide and follow what you want to do in your life. What I think, life will become easy and busy if you will take proper decisions. Number one, don't hang with studies. If you love it, do it, otherwise pack it up, means don't do it. Don't hang with friends. If you like them, adjust with them, be with them forever, otherwise leave them. Same thing with career. If you love it, do it with passion or leave it. Even that can give you better life. Same thing with business. Don't hang with it or bear with others, and do it carefully. Now, don't make false commitments with anyone, either family or friends. It is not good, which doesn't give us positive results in future. Also, don't waste time of yours and others. It is very important. Time has value. As life has value, in the same way time has value. Don't waste time of anybody. Okay? So makeup means adjust with others or be with others. Otherwise, pack up your life and be individual, be independent as you wish to be. But don't disturb yourself or don't disturb other people, as life is very short. And also by our way of living, it will depend whether we can live long life or short life. Because depressions, divorce and all these things are not good for our happy life. So better you take your bold decisions and take bold steps in your life and follow the life on the right path. Thanks friends. I hope you understand that making up is also a good way and packing us up is also a good way of life. But don't hang no one's life with you. Thanks. So friends, my mobile number is 9958427005. If you would like to have any suggestion, thanks.